Hello again and welcome to Jeeves. For this video, you will learn on how to create a helper profile. Let's get started. First, tap the Helpers button. Here, you can see all the helpers that is associated with your unit. From this page, you can create, edit, or delete helpers. For now, let's create a new helper. Tap the Add button. This is the helper's profile form. Here, you will need to fill out the required fields of the form for the PMO to process your helper. The required fields are marked with an asterisk. First, enter the helper's last and first name, as well as their gender. Next, choose what type of helper you want to register. There are 3 types: a maid, bodyguard, or driver. Next, choose the helper's ID type. There are 4 types: a passport, driver's license, national ID, and TIN number. Next, enter the helper's ID number. Next, choose whether the helper will require permission from you to exit the building. Just toggle the yes or no button. The helper's mobile number and address can also be entered for additional information. Other information can also be entered through the remarks and the attachments. Finally, select this icon to provide a picture of the helper. Once all the information has been entered, tap Submit to complete your helper's profile. The helper that was just created is now listed here. You can edit the helper's profile if its status is to be reviewed. Just tap the profile to edit it. Now that the helper's profile has been created, you will just need the PMO to review and approve it. Once approved, you can provide your helper with an electronic pass that they can use when exiting the property. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.